Welcome back. Now news from sports. Newly promoted Goa Pro League club Kalangut Association feel that the decision to promote them to the league should have been taken earlier. However, Kalangut have appointed the right man in former Seza Football Academy and Sporting Club the Goa coach Vishwas Gaonkar to cope with this problem. Vishwas feels that there has been lack of preparation time, but he and the team is up for the challenge this season.
Vishwas Gaonkar is an experienced coach not only in the state but at the national level too. The former Seza Academy and Sporting Club de Goa coach told Prudent that he loves challenges.
No, I always like to take challenge. So this is a great challenge for me because there is no base as it is. But I'll see. I'll do something to bring this club up.
Okay. You've analyzed where you are going to finish or where you plan to finish at least?
At present, I am not able to tell you. Only you have to judge me after seeing my matches. But the lack of preparation, we don't have sufficient time to prepare. That will affect us. But still, that is not an excuse. But we'll try our best.
Goa United's academy run at Poryad ground in the tourist hub of Kalangut is a breeding ground for Kalangut Academy. The club will pick up talented players to groom them and eventually will draft them into the team, informed Gaonkar.
Definitely. Those boys of academy boys of United, they're very talented. But they'll take time to come in the professional league. Yeah, they have to come to the level of the professional league. Yeah, but they are talented, definitely. 1 or 2 years, they'll definitely play in talented.
What about your foreign signings? Have you brought any outsiders?
Not yet decided yet, because only after sponsorship we might go for it.
Vishwas is confident that the club heads will manage to rope in some good sponsors.
Finances, yes, they'll gather enough because they're supported by our topmost Kalangut people. So that is their job. They'll do it, and I am confident that definitely they'll do it. Yeah.
From Panji, our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Anil Sanadi.
Vasco Sports Club's fight to stay in the I-League has not yet died out. CEO of Vasco Sports Club, ex-naval officer Atul Shah Khan, told Prudent that Vasco are pushing AIFF to the matter's logical conclusion. Major Khan also informed Prudent that 50 to 60% of Vasco's players are still with the club.
Once a powerhouse in Indian football, Vasco Sports Club are languishing in the second division I-League today. However, if matters go in Vasco's favour, Vasco could well get back to India's premier football competition. Vasco Sports Club's CEO, ex-naval officer Atul Shah Khan, told Prudent that the club has not lost heart yet.
Yeah, as far as pursuing the matter with AIFF is concerned, we'll go all out to pursue whatever is in the best interest of the club. Okay, as of now, as far as things stand now legally and in writing, from AIFF side, they said that they'll revert back to us after seeking the legal opinion. So we're waiting for the time being. And as far as going out wholeheartedly is concerned, we'll take the matter to this logical conclusion as far as the interest of the club is concerned.
In terms of your players, so a lot of your players have left. Crucial players of yours have gone to big clubs now. How is the rebuilding process going on in this stage?
See, every club has its own challenges at a certain point of time, and it's not only with the small clubs, the big clubs, that a lot of big players and big name players switch allegiance to other clubs. So as far as rebuilding is concerned, we have around 50 to 60% of the players already there from the last year. There's some new boys who were shortlisted during the trials that we had. So as far as rebuilding is concerned, it's a process of now where they've started training, they have started mingling with the boys, and as far as the CEO or the coach or the boys from the old side will take all out efforts to make sure that the bonding stays there and the spirit of Vasco continues as far as the rebuilding process of fighting out as far as any other team is concerned.
From Panji, our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Anil Sanadi.
Noted Bollywood lyricist Prasun Joshi has recited a poem in support of Anna Hazare. He has warned the corrupt that India has risen against their wrongs. Keep up the spirit of Anna's crusade. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media.
लो मशालों को जगा डाला किसी ने, भोले थे अब कर दिया भाला किसी ने। है शहर ये कोयलों का, ये मगर ना भूल जाना। लाल शोले भी इसी बस्ती में रहते हैं युगों से। रास्तों में धूल है, कीचड़ है, पर ये याद रखना, ये जमीन धुलती रही संकल्प वाले आंसुओं से। मेरे आंगन को है धो डाला किसी ने, लो मशालों को जगा डाला किसी ने, भोले थे अब कर दिया भाला किसी ने। लो मशालों को जगा डाला किसी ने। आग बेवजह कभी घर से निकलती ही नहीं, टोलियां जत्थे बनाकर चीख यूं चलती नहीं। रात को भी देखने दो आज तुम सूरज के जलवे, जब तपेगी ईंट तब ही होश में आएंगे तलवे। तोड़ डाला मौन का ताला किसी ने, लो मशालों को जगा डाला किसी ने। भोले थे अब कर दिया भाला किसी ने, भोले थे अब कर दिया भाला किसी ने।